After classification of salts, first salt we are going to study in detail, that is sodium chloride. Formula if you want to write NaCl. Okay, it is also found in the hydrated form NaCl2H2O. Actually, this salt is abundantly available in the nature, naturally. For example, what are the sources? From the sea water. Sea water is actually a mixture of many salts, in which the most amount which is present, that is sodium chloride. Along with that one, magnesium chloride and calcium chlorides are also present. So sea water is an important source of common salt. Next one is rock salt. Actually, wherever the sea was present in ancient time, then that sea has dried up. So that salt which was present in the sea is found in the solid form, in the form of rock salts. It is slightly brownish in color. Okay. Third source is inland lakes. Some lakes of salty water are present in many areas. For example, in Rajasthan, Samhar Lake. The salt is produced in larger amount. It is present in Jaipur district near Fulera. So these are the some examples. Some we can say some sources of salt or common salt. This common salt, it is also known as common salt or table salt. Okay, let us see some physical properties. It is white in color. It is crystalline, soluble in water, little bit of hygroscopic. Why it is hygroscopic? Due to presence of calcium chloride and magnesium chloride, which absorb moisture from the atmosphere, and the salt becomes wet. So this nature is known as hygroscopic nature. Melting point is very high. That is, we can say it is more than 800 degrees Celsius, or we can say 860 degrees Celsius, almost. Okay. So these are the physical properties. What are the uses of this salt? What are the uses of sodium chloride? So one use is, it is an ingredient of food. Ingredient of food items. In making vegetables, chapati, rice, etc., we use it as an ingredient to enhance the taste of the food. Next one is preservatives. In some food items such as pickles, fishes, meat, etc., this common salt is used as preservative. The more amount of salt, when it is mixed with the food item, then the food does not spoil for a longer period. So this is a food preservative. It is used in manufacturing of many other salts that we would discuss later in this chapter. It is also used in manufacture of many useful substances or many useful salts. One more thing, if NaCl is mixed with water, the aqueous solution of sodium chloride is also known as brine solution. Okay, so whenever we are using the term brine solution means aqueous solution of sodium chloride. So this is about sodium. Actually, this process, chlor-alkali process, in this one, chlor is taken from chlorine and alkali is for base. So in this process, chlorine and alkali are produced. So this is known as chlor-alkali process. What is this process? When brine solution is electrolyzed. What is brine solution? NaCl plus H2O. When we electrolysis, then what happens? Actually, sodium hydroxide, hydrogen and chlorine, they are produced. So this sodium hydroxide is alkali and chlorine is for chlor. Okay, so this process is known as chlor-alkali process. Actually, what happens in this process? They both are ionized. Actually, NaCl is ionized as Na plus Cl minus. Water is partially ionized as H plus and OH minus. This Cl minus ion, it moves towards anode. Anode is positively charged electrode, and what happens? It loses the electrons. Cl2 plus 2 electrons, and chlorine gas is released at anode. These H plus ions, they move towards cathode, and 2 H plus ions, they get 2 electrons and converts into H. So at anode, hydrogen gas is released. So hydrogen gas is released at cathode and Cl minus is released as the Cl2 gas is released at anode. This process is known as chlor-alkali process.